In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit time off on Fresha, providing you with a complete guide for 2025. Whether you're managing your own schedule or overseeing a team, it's crucial to know how to make updates seamlessly. So let's dive right in and make sure you're up to speed with these essential steps. First things first, you need to log into the Fresha Partner platform. You can easily do this by opening the Fresha Partner app on your iOS or Android device, or by simply visiting the Fresha Partner website. Once there, make sure you're signed in using your business account credentials. Having access to the right account is key here because it ensures you're able to edit and manage the schedules and time off requests for your business. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the calendar. From the main menu, select the calendar option. This section is your go-to for viewing and managing all your scheduled activities. Navigate through the calendar to locate the specific date or dates where you've already added time off. This step is important because you'll need to select the particular time off block that requires editing. After identifying the right date, the next step is to select the time off entry you want to change. If you're on a desktop, simply click on it, or if you're on a mobile device, give it a tap. A pop-up will appear offering you a snapshot of the details like the date, time, the staff involved, and any notes previously added. This overview can be extremely helpful if you're managing time off across multiple team members or have several entries to keep track of. With the time off block selected, look for the edit option, typically represented by a pencil icon. Clicking or tapping on it will allow you to alter several aspects. You can update the dates by adjusting the start or end date if the time off duration has changed. Similarly, you can modify the times to reflect the correct hours that need to be blocked. If need be, you can also change or add any staff members assigned to this time off period, ensuring your updates cover everyone involved. Don't forget to update the notes as well, especially if the reason for the time off has changed, whether it's due to a vacation, a training session, or a holiday. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, tap Save Changes to finalize your edits. It's a good idea to return to the calendar and double check that the time off block looks right. Lastly, make sure to inspect your client booking page to ensure that all your availability updates are reflected there, maintaining a smooth customer experience for your clients. And there you have it. You've successfully edited time off on Fresha. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll be navigating time off changes like a pro. Thank you for following along and happy scheduling.